So I picked up a nail in my tire, which sucks, but I'm gonna need new tires soon anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it. So this is a slime plug kit that you can pick up at pretty much anywhere. Walmart, I think that's where I got this. So I've shown plugging tires on a car, but we're gonna plug a tire in a motorcycle. And so we're gonna use one of these plug kits and the tools here. The only thing that's not here that I need is a pair of pliers or a pair of dikes, needle nose. You can watch a video with Fort9 where he talks about plugging and all patching, and I don't see a problem with plugging a tire. Now if you're on the track or doing some heavy riding, maybe you won't want to ride on a plug tire, so you may want to get a new tire. Alright, so first thing first, we need to find said screw or nail. So we're just going to push up on the bike and we're just going to rotate the tire till we find it. And I found it. And she is completely flat. Nice star screw, that's nice. At least it's not a cheap screw, right? Alright, so the tire is at the wear bar, so we're going to put a set of tires on this thing soon, but it's the riding season is almost over. We'll probably pick up some tires for Black Friday. Alright, so let's get the screw out. It's usually easier when the tire's got air in it, so let's go ahead and inflate it. Alright, let's get this valve stem over here. Okay. I'm going to take it to about 40 pounds, just for the purposes of plugging it. All right. And I can already hear it hissing. All right, let's bring it back around. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull it out. We got our reamer so we can fill the hole. Okay, look at that nice screw. It's great. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just ream out the hole. All right, so we're going to take our plug. We're going to squish one end. We're going to get it through this end, through the plugging device. Now, if you have glue, it'd be a nice time to put it on there. I lost my glue. You don't necessarily need the glue. It's a good lubricant. You can also use hand sanitizer on it to make it easier. All right, so we're gonna pull it out and stick this in. This is the hard part. We gotta get it in. Okay. I like to give it a twist. Then you jerk it out. And let's spray it with some soap. See if it's leaking. Should bubble up. Alright, let's put some more air in it. And keep an eye on it for me. Let me know if it starts leaking. Let's take it to 36. Alright, we're at 36 PSI. Is it leaking? How's it look? It's looking pretty good. Let me grab a razor. We're just going to try and get it as close to the surface as we can. It's a dull razor. Holy crap. I'm going to get a new one. What is that? Alright, so it's as good as we need it. Spray some more on there. How's it looking? Alright, looks pretty good to me. So we're good for some riding.